What would an ultimate cat look like? Would it be bigger? Better? This is Sinbad, a captive bred super cat. Not a lion or a tiger, but a liger. At 900 pounds, Sinbad is almost 100 times the size of a house cat, and twice the weight of a lion or a tiger. Dr. Bhagavan Ansel has raised Sinbad since he was born.
Oh, this Bengal tiger is about 500 pounds, a fully mature male. It's got a large head, big bone structure, but it's dwarfed when you see this huge liger boy. His head is almost twice the size of this Bengal tiger's. It's so long from tip to nose here that you just got an enormous structure. The width of these huge jaw muscles and these big bones just make him be an enormous character.
This liger is the product of bizarre breeding. They do not exist in the wild. A liger is created by breeding a male lion with a female tiger. The result is a hybrid offspring that is abnormally large. In size and weight, the liger simply dwarfs its parents. Its massive skull alone can be 40% larger than a lion's or tiger's.
They have enormous thick bone structure and can be actually the size of their mother and father combined. Enormous.
Scientists are still trying to understand why hybrids like ligers can become so much larger than their parents. What they do know is that ligers are missing the growth-inhibiting gene that keeps them at a normal size. They only live in captivity, but the scale of their predatory tools is unmatched, even in nature. Ligers share the same ancestral hardware with other big cats. The only real difference is size. Like lions and tigers, a liger's massive canines are set deep inside the skull, like giant screws.
Big cats have enormously long teeth, but a lot of the tooth is actually hidden inside the skull. This much of the tooth you can kind of see is covered in enamel. That's how much of the tooth actually is exposed and is used for the killing bite. The rest of this is inside the skull. Deep inside the skull, it's planted and held fast so that it's able to take the enormous torque that'll be produced by the animal biting down and then pulling back. If it had a smaller structure to it, these teeth would end up breaking off. But this is what holds it into place.